In this video, I'll show you how to generate summary statistics in Google Sheets. So normally you'd use software like Python or R to generate this in a much easier way. But if you have to use spreadsheets, there are functions and formulas available to us that we can use to generate summary statistics. So in this example, I have one variable called income, and I want to get the summary statistics for this variable. So we'll start off with the measures of central tendency. So that's mean, median, and mode. So for the mean, you use the function called average. So there's no function called mean. Use average instead, which essentially means the same thing. For median, the function is median. For mode, it's mode. For standard deviation, we have both sample and population. So for sample, it's STDEV, and for population, it's STDEV with a P at the end, STDEVP. Same goes for variance. Variance is VAR, and variance population is VARP. And then we can also get the maximum and minimum of the data set. So the maximum is just max, minimum is min. Count and sum are also basically just count and sum. And then we can also get quartiles. So to get the first quartile, for example, we can use the function called quartile and then type in the data range, comma 1. So the 1 there signifies the first quartile. Similarly, for the third quartile, if we type in 3, that's the third quartile. We don't need to calculate second quartile anymore because that's just your median. So then we can also calculate our interquartile range, or IQR, which is basically the difference of the third quartile and the first quartile. And then lastly, we have here the range. So there's no function called range, but we can get this by doing the maximum minus the minimum. So there you have it. I'm going to list down all these functions in the description so that you can just copy paste it into your Google Sheet. And I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.